I don't know, maybe my sunglasses cleaner? Don't put that in.
So something that I recommend seasonaires to pack is a backpack that you can strap skis on so that you can hike in the morning before the lift's open.
Would pack multiple pairs of socks and an extra pillow.
Earplugs, definitely earplugs. A few heavy snorers in the room.
Pack a load of toiletries, you run out pretty quickly.
Lots of ski clothes.
I would recommend them to pack some dairy milk or Galaxy chocolate because it makes them feel like they're at home.
Definitely fancy dress.
A pair of shorts, it gets very hot.
A big extension lead with the UK with one adapter, because then you can plug all of your chargers and stuff in with only one EU adapter.
Definitely hydration tablets.
I would definitely recommend bringing lip balm because you get really chapped lips. It's really important to get it on straight away.
One thing I wouldn't pack, again, is vitamin D tablets. I thought I'd spend the whole time in salad pets in a jacket, but you actually get a lot of sunlight.
More than like 2 or 3 pairs of shoes, you just don't need it.
Lots of trainers, just bring one pair for work, your ski boots and that's it. Sliders as well.
I brought some running shoes and definitely recommend that no need for them out here. Your exercises on the slopes.
Not loads of going out clothes.
Or trainers, that's the mistake I made, packing too much. Yeah, I don't even wear them, I only wear one pair.
Definitely don't need as many clothes as you think you do.
2 thick coats. I'd recommend bringing a normal coat and a shell jacket.
Just clothes. You don't really need that many clothes.
Something that I wouldn't pack would be another pair of shoes.
Oh, too many trainers. You just need one pair of trainers, one pair of snow boots. Sorted. And slippers.
One piece of advice for seasonaires in the future is to apply early. Makes a huge difference.
Go to Folly, as much as possible.
And then a bit of advice would be to make the most of the powder days before they're all gone.
Hey, buy a pair of skis, very much useful. Couple of months, why not?
Say yes to everything, have as much fun as possible. You're on a ski season once, so just make the most of it.
Don't burn the candle at both ends because it's a long season, so you want to last.
Bring lots of sun cream. UV is high.
Ski as much as you can. Have fun.
Think about what jobs you want to do. There's lots of varied jobs here in Resort. If you do want to continue using your languages, apply for concierge.
One piece of advice would be to always wear sun cream, even when the sun's not out, because as you can see, I'm peeling really badly all the time.
Ski as much as you can, make the most of it while you're here. Always go out on a sunny day. Drink water, of course, yeah, absolutely.